Welcome to your Millionaire Manifestation Plan. Today, we're going to embark on an extraordinary journey together, a journey that will take you from where you are right now to the life of your dreams, a life of abundance, purpose, and yes, even millionaire status. Let's be clear, this isn't about some magic formula or overnight success. This is about igniting the fire within you, unleashing the power you have to design your destiny. We're talking about a comprehensive strategy, a step-by-step guide that will empower you to manifest your dream life. Are you ready to step into your power? Are you ready to transform your life? Then let's dive in. Before we lay the first brick, we need to start with the foundation, your mindset. Your mind is an incredibly powerful tool. It can be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. Right now you might be thinking, a millionaire? That's not for me. But that's just a limiting belief holding you back. Shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Ask yourself, what if I could achieve anything? Feel the energy shift as you embrace this belief. This is where the magic begins. Your potential is limitless. Now that we've ignited that fire within, let's get crystal clear on your dream life. Paint a vivid picture so detailed you can almost taste it. Imagine waking up in your dream home. What does it look like? Feel the plush carpet under your feet, the sunlight streaming through the windows. Picture yourself driving your dream car, the wind in your hair, the open road ahead. What about your work-life balance? Do you envision running your own successful business, working remotely from a beach, or pursuing a passion that sets your soul on fire? See yourself financially free, living a life of abundance, traveling the world, giving back to causes you believe in. Write it all down, create a vision board, make it real. This is your roadmap to success, your blueprint for a millionaire life. Now that you have this incredible vision, we need to embed it deep within your subconscious mind. How do we do that? Through the power of positive affirmations. Words shape your thoughts, beliefs, and reality. Feed your mind with empowering affirmations. Look in the mirror and declare, I am capable of success. I am worthy of abundance. I am a magnet for success. Repeat with conviction. Feel them resonate within you. The more you feed your mind, the more you'll believe them and see them manifest in your life. Chapter 4. You want to know one of the greatest secrets to attracting abundance? Gratitude. That's right, gratitude isn't just about good manners, it's about shifting your entire energy to a state of abundance. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you're essentially telling the universe, more of this please. You shift from a mindset of lack to one of abundance, and that, my friend, is incredibly powerful. So, start each day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a warm cup of coffee, the roof over your head, or the love of your family. Feel that gratitude deep within your heart, and watch as your life begins to transform. Let's bring that vision board to life through visualization. Close your eyes and imagine living your dream life now. Walk into your dream home, feel the carpet, smell the flowers, picture signing a big deal in your home office. Hear the sounds of success, laughter, celebration, taste the sweet victory of your dreams. Make it real in your mind to attract it into your reality. Chapter 6. Now I know what you might be thinking. Tony, this all sounds great, but how do I actually make it happen? Well, my friend, visualization is just the first step. Now we need to take action. That vision is your roadmap to success. Break it down into smaller, actionable steps. What specific actions can you take today to move closer to your goals? Remember, success is the result of consistent, focused action. Let's talk about setting SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to be a millionaire, get specific. Write it down, make it measurable, break it into achievable milestones. Your goals should be relevant and have a deadline. This keeps you accountable. Now, let's talk about equipping yourself for success. You wouldn't climb Mount Everest without the right gear, would you? The same goes for building your dream life. Identify the skills you need to achieve your goals. Do you want to be an entrepreneur? Then maybe you need to brush up on your business management skills, marketing, sales, or financial literacy. The good news is, we live in an age where knowledge is readily available. There are countless online courses, workshops, and resources available at your fingertips. Invest in yourself, master your craft, and become an unstoppable force in your field. So, you've got this incredible business idea brewing. Now, it's time to turn that idea into a solid plan. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Conduct thorough market research, identify your target audience, understand their needs and pain points. How will you solve their problems better than the competition? Develop a comprehensive business plan. Outline your business model, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Don't be afraid to start small. Consider launching a side hustle to test your idea and validate your market. Chapter 10. As you embark on this incredible journey towards success, it's crucial to prioritize your well-being. I'm talking about achieving that sweet spot work-life balance. Remember, success without fulfillment is meaningless. Make sure to set healthy boundaries between work and personal life. Don't be afraid to disconnect, recharge, and spend quality time with loved ones. Incorporate downtime and self-care into your schedule. Whether it's meditation, exercise, spending time in nature, or pursuing hobbies that bring you joy, make self-care non-negotiable. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally, and you'll have the energy and focus to conquer your goals. Chapter 11. Let's talk about money. Financial mastery is crucial for your dream life. Take control and plan for your goals. Create a budget that aligns with your vision. Track income and expenses, cut back where needed, and save like a champion. Explore investment opportunities. Consider real estate, stocks, and bonds. Diversify your portfolio and consult a financial advisor. Build an emergency fund. Ensure peace of mind and security. Chapter 12. Let's face it, the road to success isn't always smooth sailing. There will be challenges and setbacks, but success belongs to those who persevere. Review your progress regularly. Celebrate small wins. Success is a journey, not a destination. Surround yourself with a supportive network. Share your goals with a mentor or coach. Feed your mind with inspiring content. Let their stories ignite your passion. Building a successful business is like conducting a symphony. It requires understanding your audience, delivering exceptional value, and the ability to adapt. Prioritize understanding customer needs and provide solutions. Innovate, think outside the box, and seek improvement. Embrace adaptability and stay focused on your goals. Let's talk about taking your finances to the next level, ensuring consistent financial growth. Building wealth isn't just about earning, it's about making your money work for you. Diversify to mitigate risk and increase potential. Explore multiple income streams. Stay informed about financial trends. Regularly review and adjust your strategies. We've covered a lot of ground today, from shifting your mindset to taking massive action. Now it's time to embrace the most important ingredient of all belief. Believe in yourself, believe in your vision, and believe in your ability to achieve anything you set your mind to. Remember, you are capable of greatness. You have the power to create the life of your dreams. This is your moment. This is your time to shine. So step into your power, embrace the journey, and never, ever give up. Now go out there and make your millionaire dream life a reality. Thank you for watching. Remember, your dream life is within reach. It all starts with a single step, a decision to step into your power and create the life you were destined for. Stay focused on your vision, stay positive in your mindset, and never stop taking action. The world is waiting for your unique gifts and talents. Now go out there and make it happen. Subscribe for more inspiring content to help you achieve your dreams.